I'm Alan Dale from Gale Force Winds, and I have to tell you, I am having a wonderful day today here at Herzing College in the Toronto campus, talking to people that are really making a difference. They understand that a student's success is Herzing success. On that note, why don't you go ahead, introduce yourself, tell us what you do.
Hello, my name is Alev Serindag, and I am working at Herzing College as a career service specialist.
So, Alev, what does a career service specialist, what do you do every day?
I am the first contact of the students. They are usually reaching me first regarding their internship. So I contact them and I try to get their resumes, and if the resumes has issues, I try to fix them with them. Also, some students need to send their portfolio for the employers. Wow. So we collect them and we try to match with the employers.
So basically you get the student all set to go for that internship, that very important internship.
Exactly, yes.
Talk to me about the importance of the internship.
Internship is the last component of the program, our programs. So all programs have mandatory internship. It depends of the program duration actually changing. Some programs have like 12 weeks, some of them are 5 weeks internship. So yeah, they have to first finish all courses, they need to. And their GPA has to be 2 to start doing their internship. Yeah.
Wow. And that internship portion for the students must be pretty exciting for them as well,
yeah,
right?
They are usually very excited. They also like to do it because there's also a chance to get hired by the employers later on. It's kind of networking. They start building their networking. Right. That's why they're also excited, yeah.
It must be great for you to see students that go into that internship perhaps a little bit nervous and then get the job. Yes. You must see that happen.
Not often, actually, very often we see. First few days they are very nervous and excited, of course, but our employers are very great in that case. They are very lovely and they understand the situation and they help the students. They are teaching also, and students are gaining experience in the related field which they need to for their future career.
It's almost like you have a little bit of a crystal ball. You know how it's going to go even though they don't know, right? Tell me I mean, you interact with a lot of students, so tell me what the students mean to you.
Students are actually very important because they are studying something for their future and they are very excited and they would like to do many things in the field, and I understand and I feel them. That's why I am trying to help them in every sense. We are very close to each other. Of course, when I was a student here at another place, and I know how they feel. Yeah.
Right. So you've got a lived experience. You've been through the journey.
Yes.
You can relate to them.
Yeah.
It must feel really good to know that you're helping people every day.
Yeah, that's also satisfying. Exactly. Yeah, I'm happy to help them.
What does Herzing mean to you?
Herzing, I have been here for 2 years almost, and I worked at academic department and career service. Actually, I know very well about Herzing because all departments I was kind of in. That's why actually it's my second job in Canada. I am also new in this country. This is a lot. They are helping me a lot, and I am learning from here many things, many details, which is really great.
What was your journey to Herzing? You said this is your second job. Where did you come from, and what did you do before you came to Herzing?
Oh, before that, I was working for one of the international colleges, and this is totally different from Herzing.
Right.
That's why it's another experience which makes me always like happy and getting developed.
Right. It's been an absolute pleasure to be in conversation with you. Thank you for helping all those students.
Thank you so much. Sure.